My name's Caleb, and where I live in the ocean, there's two different zones, the pelagic zone and the benthic zone. The pelagic environment includes the entire volume of water and the marine life that lives there. It has two zones, which are the neritic zone and the oceanic zone. The neritic zone, which is the water that covers the continental shelf. The characteristics are it has abundant sunlight, and it has warm and shallow pools of water. The greatest variety of marine life of all zones. And then the animals of the neritic zone are salmon, sea bass, and tuna, plankton, and dolphins. The oceanic zone, which includes everything in the pelagic environment except what is over the continental shelf. It is the greatest volume of ocean water. Characteristics: it has many organisms, but they are spread over large areas. But the water near the bottom is very cold and dark. Some of the strangest animals in the ocean live in the oceanic zone. Animals of the oceanic zone: whales, sharks, plankton. The benthic environment, the zones of the ocean floor. There are 5 zones in the benthic environment. The intertidal zone, the shallowest of the benthic environment. The characteristics of the intertidal zone: experiences high and low tides. The tide pools form during low tide. Experiences changes in temperature and moisture, as well as change in salinity. Animals of the intertidal zone are sea anemones, sea stars, barnacles, and crabs. The sublittoral zone, part of the continental shelf that stays wet continually. Characteristics of the sublittoral zone: it runs from the intertidal zone to the edge of the continental shelf. This zone is more stable than the intertidal zone. Animals of the sublittoral zone: coral, clownfish, sea urchins, sea stars, and seahorses. The bathal zone: this extends from the continental shelf to the abyssal plain. The characteristics of the abyssal zone are sunlight only touches the top of the zone, so plant life is very scarce. And then the animals are octopus and sponges. The abyssal zone: the characteristics are dark, no sun, deep, and the animals are crabs, tube worms, sea cucumbers, bacteria. And then the hadal zone is the deepest ocean zone. It is extremely deep, not much down there. The pressure of the water is 7 times greater than the air at the surface. It is a hostile environment and marine snow. The animals are clams, tube worms, and sponges. Thanks for visiting my home, and remember, just keep swimming, just keep swimming.